Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Face ID for your banking apps on iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions to add biometric security for quick and secure access to your financial accounts. Step 1. Ensure Face ID is already set up on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode, and verify that Face ID is enabled for iPhone unlock. Step 2. Open your banking app on your iPhone. Most major banking apps support Face ID authentication for added security and convenience. Step 3. Navigate to the app's settings or security section. This is usually found in the menu, profile, or settings icon within the banking app. Step 4. Look for an option labeled Biometric Login, Face ID, Touch ID, and Face ID, or Biometric Authentication. The exact wording varies by app. Step 5. Toggle the Face ID or Biometric Authentication option to on or enabled. The app may ask you to verify your identity by entering your password or PIN. Step 6. Complete any additional security verification steps required by your bank, such as receiving a text message code or answering security questions. Step 7. Once enabled, log out of the app and close it completely. This will allow you to test the Face ID login on your next access attempt. Step 8. Reopen your banking app and test Face ID by simply looking at your iPhone when prompted. Your face should be recognized and you'll gain immediate access to your account without entering a password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.